Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to set up direct deposit on Vagaro. Now, I know you might be thinking, why do I need to know this? Well, if you're a business owner, you probably use Vagaro to manage your appointments and finances. And if you're like me, you want to make sure your money is getting to where it needs to go as quickly and efficiently as possible. So, let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Vagaro account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Click on the Settings tab. It's located at the top of the page. Step 3. Click on Payroll. Step 4. Click on Payment Methods. Step 5. Click on Add Bank Account. Step 6. Enter your bank account information. This includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Step 7. Click on Save. That's it. You're done. Now, your direct deposit is set up and you can start receiving your payments directly to your bank account. Here are a few additional tips. Make sure you enter your bank account information correctly. Even a small mistake can cause your direct deposit to be rejected. If you have any questions, you can contact Vagaro support for help. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to use Vagaro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.